What's going on, guys? Welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be presenting to you 3 easy tricks for beginners on flat ground. So basically, I just want to show you easy tricks that you can do before even learning how to do an ollie, so that you can get comfortable on the board and then also add style to your tricks. 3 easy tricks I have for you today is the front side shove it, nollie, as well as front side 180. So those are easy tricks that you should learn within probably a week, actually. And let's get right into it, man. So I think front shoves are relatively easy tricks because all you have to do is put your foot placement should be right down the middle over here, the front foot, and your back foot is like bottom of the tail. So that way you can shove it forward, hey? So what you want to practice doing is just getting in this position and getting comfortable. After that, all you have to do, bend over, you flick up. This foot doesn't do anything, and then you let go and then shove it forward, and then it should rotate obviously 180 degrees. But just how you see now, I'll just show you right now. It's just pop, catch. That's all you have to do. What I like about nollies is you're basically ollieing the opposite way. All you have to do is put your foot placement forward and the other foot in the middle. All you have to do is hop forward and slide this foot upwards so that you get that stability, and then all you have to do is just land on the balls. So I just want to say that frontside 180 tricks are very easy to learn, because all you have to do is your foot placement must be on the lower part of the tail while your front foot is in the middle. And all you have to do is pop while twisting your shoulders outwards or left if you're regular and right if you're goofy, so that it goes that way while rotating your feet on to the board. And then all you have to do is land and then that's basically just it. That's it. 3 basic tricks for beginners, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I'm really glad that I could make it because I've been wanting to make it for quite a long time. And thank you for all those who support me a lot on my channel. It's just a hobby that I do, and I'm just glad to help those who are starting skateboarding and just doing vlogs with friends. So thank you so much for supporting, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more of my videos, and peace. So what I like about nollies is all you have to do is ollie forward, or ollie the opposite way basically. So I'm moving right now and I'm not even okay, whatever. What's going on, guys? Today welcome to my